Hello everyone, welcome to the class. Today we'll be discussing the degree of amine. The degree of amine is also very important as degree of alcohol. So this is also a very easy one. If you have didn't watched my previous lectures of degree of carbon and alcohol, you must watch those. Those are also very important. I have explained the degree of alcohol and carbon in detail in the previous lectures. So let's start today's session. So, like previous sessions only, this in this session also will be understanding the degree of amine through an example. So, I have three examples. So, I have these three examples. So, I'll tell you the degree of the amines here and you'll automatically understand how this came. So, the degree of amine here is 1 and here is 2 and here is 3. Now think how it came. It's very logical. So why here the degree of amine is 1 as the nitrogen is directly attached to one carbon. So it is same as the degree of carbon. What we have told in the degree of carbon? We have told that the degree of carbon is equals to how many number of carbons it is directly attached. Here the degree of amine is equals to number of carbons directly attached to nitrogen. So here nitrogen is directly attached to one carbon. So here the degree is 1. In the second example, the nitrogen is directly attached to two carbons. Right? It is directly attached to two carbons. You must not check the hydrogen, but you have to check the number of bonds made by nitrogen with carbon. Right? The third example, In the third example, it made three bonds with the carbon. So the degree of amine will be 3. So let's see some more examples to make a clear concept, to make your concepts clear. Tell me the degree of this amine, that is 1. Why? It is directly attached to one carbon. One carbon. Now tell me the degree here. Here also the degree is 1. Why? It is directly attached to one carbon. And what is the degree here? So you have to not see the structure and get frightened. You must see the number of bonds made by nitrogen with carbon. So this nitrogen made two bonds with carbon. So the degree of this amine would be 2. And the last example in this class would be this. What is the degree of this carbon? Sorry, this amine. The degree of this amine is 1 as it is directly attached to one carbon. And this one last. So tell me, is this possible? No, right? So nitrogen makes only 2 bonds, 3 bonds, right? Don't makes 4 bonds. Here it is directly attached to 3 carbons. So the degree of this amine is 3. So the degree of amine is very easy, right? So the degree of amine, carbon, alcohol is very easy if you understand. Now I am going to tell you a short trick here through which you must not you need not count the bonds made by nitrogen with carbon. So the short trick is when amine is in the form of NH2, right? Like here we have NH2 and made like this. So if it is like this case, then the degree of amine would be 1. You can directly see. If it is NH2, the degree would be 1. And if it is NH, like this, then the degree would be 2. Right? And if it is N, the degree would be 3. So you can directly tell, if it is NH2, the degree would be 1. If it is NH, the degree would be 2. And if it N, the degree would be 3. This is a shortcut for the amine. So that's all for today. We have understood the amine in detail. This is a very short video, I know, because amine is not a big a degree of amine is not a big topic. That's why the length of the video is small. So in the next lecture, we'll be discussing the degree of hydrogen. Okay, until then, keep practicing. Bye.